construction zone's right here, look. This is what we're gonna be working on. See all this scrap wood right here? We gotta nail these side rails up so that your monster trucks and your tractors stay on the ramp. Okay, we're gonna use a nail gun. Will you come turn the air compressor on? Now we need the air hose. Waiter, come help me plug in the air hose.
Come on, Bob.
Come here. Hey, high five. High five, brother. Okay, brother says that's enough air. All right. Now we get this end of the air hose, and that's what we attach the nail gun with. See? Now we're ready. Ready?
Look out!
1, 2, 3.
Look out!
One more. 1, 2, 3.
Look out!
Okay. Test it. I think we can move this thing.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Give it a try. Oh, that worked.
Again.
Oh, it's riding the rail. They got brother.
Think about. What keep dying, guys? Let's see if we can work on it. I'll be working it.
All right, guys, we're gonna move this ramp and we're gonna start ramping trucks into the pool. Okay.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Oh, that's it.
Not it, guys. off.
We got it!
It's him! It's him!
You see? Ready, Wade?
Bye!
Bye!